Hello students, in this lecture we will learn how to create new document in OpenOffice Writer. So for that we'll start with file menu, go to new option and click on text document. So as you can see as the name suggests, it is untitled 2. A new file is created and in the same file new text document you can see Control plus N is written. Now you can see it clearly, Control plus N, and it means we can create with the help of Control plus N new document. For that what we will do, simply we will hold down the Control key, and while pressing the Control key we will press N key. This will create a new document. So you can see it is untitled 3 OpenOffice Writer, that is written there. And with this we can say we have two methods to create new document. One is by clicking on File, New Text Document, and another one is by pressing Control plus N. Now in this we will see how to save and save as a file. So difference between save and save as. So first, for that we have created 3 copies of a new file. Okay, now we'll go to file, and first time when we save a file, the save as is enabled, not save, because we already have a name, a default name of a file, that is untitled 1, untitled 2, like this. So we have to use save as. So or you can use Control plus Shift plus S. So we press save as, and here we will give file name. You can see it is highlighted, and save as dialog box is opened, and file name is highlighted, untitled 1, and we will give new name to this file, that is first doc. Now this is name of my file, first doc, and save as type is ODF text document, that is .odt. ये आपकी फाइल का एक्सटेंशन रहेगा जब आप ओपन ऑफिस में फाइल बनाते हैं. देन सेव. So you can see the name of file is changed from untitled 1 to first doc.odt. Let's write something. Sorry, that is hello, how are you all. So this we have entered a text, and now we can see the save option is enabled. Save option is enabled. You can see it is enabled, save option, and by clicking this save you can save changes you have made to your file. Then we write let's write another line, hope you all are fit and fine. Again you can see save is enabled. We'll save it with the help of file, save. But now you see this grayed out save option, because right now फाइल में ऐसा कुछ भी नया नहीं है जिसको सेव करना है. Everything is saved here, nothing is new. यदि आप कुछ नया टाइप करते हैं फाइल में तभी ये सेव ऑप्शन आपको इनेबल होगा. Now we'll see save as that you can enable use with the help of Control plus Shift plus S. This will open save as dialog box. See, save as is opened. and here we will save our file with new name second doc. Save. So now we have another file with the same content. The file name is second doc.o. Now we will see how to open the file we have created in previous step. For that we will go to file, open. This will open dialog box, you can see on top left, and then we can type name of a file that we want to open, or just click on the all listing in the upper window and press the first alphabet of your file name. In this case it is F, so F. See, all type of files starting with F are shown. So this is our file, first doc. Okay, click on open. This another way is to instead of all files we will select text document, again click on the listing and press F. Then you can see we will directly come to our file. So this is much better way. Click on open. Now you can see you have the file you have created in previous step. Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Another way is to use the shortcut, which is Ctrl plus O. For that, hold down the Ctrl key and press O. This will open dialog box. Now instead of all files we will select text document, and we'll click on the file list and click F key because our file starts with F. I will come to our file. See, our file is opened. This way you can open your existing files in the OpenOffice Writer. Now we will see difference between save and save as. This is my first .doc file, and here in the menu you can see save and save as. Two options are there. Save you can call with the help of Ctrl plus S, and save as Ctrl plus Shift plus S. These are the shortcuts to call it. Now we will open our second file, that is second doc. We'll press S key and you will get the second .doc. Now you have this second doc file. The contents of both first doc and second doc are same because we have used save as to make second doc file. You can see both files are there, first doc and second doc. Contents are same. So with the help of save you can save changes to your file, whatever changes you make. For example, if you add a line or you delete a line, you want to save it, simply go to save, and with the help of save as you can make a new copy, or you can say same copy of your existing file. Suppose I write something like work hard, and this new line is added to this file, and we will just go to file menu, and now you can see save is enabled, not grayed out. So save. Now this change is saved in first doc, and we have another copy of this file which is second doc. Now let's see whether this is reflected back to this file or not. No, this extra line we have added in first doc is not reflected to second doc, and this is the another difference between save and save as. With the help of save as, you make a copy of your existing file, but both these copies, original one and the copied one, both are different, they are not same, and whatever changes you make to one file will not be reflected back to the second file. So in first file we have work hard, here we don't have any work hard. If I make any changes here, this will remain in second.doc file only, it will not be reflected to first.doc. hopefully you will familiar and with this difference between save and save as, and stay at home, stay safe, and bye for now.